following message is transmitted by the request of the Governor of the State of California and the Sacramento Police Department. A dangerous situation is occurring in the city of Sacramento. At approximately 3:30 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, an explosion had erupted downtown of Sacramento. It is unknown how many fatalities have been reported. It is also unknown how did this situation happen. As a precaution, all residents within a 5-mile radius of downtown are strongly advised to evacuate the area. Stay away from the downtown area of Sacramento. It is unknown if more attacks may occur. Please stay tuned for more information about this situation.